Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, I have a quick unboxing of the NASA Vans collaboration. These are the old school style in white, and I think they look awesome. Now the box, I kind of put them back in here haphazardly, but here is the tag if you want to know what it is. I got size 10. I have other Vans and size 10 fits, so I figured these would as well, and they do. So let's crack them open here and take a look at the shoes themselves. So that's all you get in the box, pretty much just your typical Vans stuff. So I'm gonna put that off to the side here, and let's take a look at these Vans. So let's take a look at the right one first. We'll start on the bottom, and as you can see, the different tones of the sole all lined up there. I'm not entirely sure what it's for, but I would guess some people are speculating that it's different moon rocks, but I don't think so. I think this is actually supposed to show the different crust layers of the Earth, perhaps, but I don't really know for sure. So that's that. And then on the sides here, you can see for the benefit of all, it says right there, and that is slightly raised up, but I imagine that'll get pretty messed up pretty quickly. Again, these are white shoes, so they're gonna get pretty dirty pretty quickly as well. Here is the back with the American flag, Vans off the wall right there. These are removable, so you can remove it. I don't know what you would do with it, but if you want to, you could put a different Velcro thing there. On the top, I first thought that these were a defect because you can actually see some of the foam on the inside, but they're all like that. That's just the look. And then on this side, you've got the NASA JFK Space Center writing right there. And yeah, they just have a really clean look to them. I know the lighting down here isn't doing these shoes proper justice, but they just look really good. Now on the inside, first of all, it's just the round laces. Typical, there's no extras in the box. This is kind of a nylon right here, this tongue, and it says shuttle on this one, and on this one it says mission, so it's shuttle mission. Nice attention to detail. And on the inside, there's like a rocket with a bunch of information about it, which is super cool that they put that much detail into these. And really, they better for the price of these. I think they're retailing for like 85 bucks, but I paid about 120 for the shoes, and then, or 122 or something. And then with shipping from StockX, it was like another 13 bucks. So about 136 bucks total. And I got these shoes. I'll probably only wear them when I go to my astronomy lectures or something like that, just for fun, because I am a space nerd. I like space a lot. So when I saw Vans with NASA, I mean, I was like, I have to have these. Now they do have other colors. If you want the orange ones, you guys can get those. They have some high tops in black. Those look really good as well. But these, I think, look the best overall. Like I could wear these pretty much with anything because they're white. Now to quickly talk about the material, it is all leather, so not much to talk about here. It is a nice leather. It's not super cheap feeling or anything. It's very soft and nice to the touch. I don't know how it'll wear in, but these fit pretty much true to size, so very happy with these. If you're looking for a pair, I can drop a link to the StockX down below. I don't know if they're sold out of certain sizes yet or what. I did ask StockX if they have like a referral program or affiliate program, and they said they don't right now. The link down there will just go straight to the page. One thing I didn't mention was kind of this material design that they've got around the side. Kind of meant to look like a spacesuit, so I think that's pretty cool. But anyways, these are the NASA Vans. That's all I got for this one. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.